Welcome to Databit. This video will demonstrate Norming Asset Accounting, or commonly known as Fixed Assets module. Norming Asset Management Suite has 4 separately sold modules. They are Asset Accounting, Asset Leasing, Asset Maintenance and Asset Tracking. Let's jump in. In the Asset Register, you may access some of the asset critical information such as purchase price, accumulated depreciation, and net book value. You can also attach image, certificates and documents to each asset. For now, let's go through adding one new asset to the register. Proceed to Acquisition, Acquisition Batch List. The acquisition entry is integrated with Accounts Payable Invoice, Accounts Payable Payments, General Ledger, Inventory Internal Usage, PJC Transactions, or Purchase Order module. In this example, we are going to acquire a new asset using AP Invoice. Select Transaction Type as New, leave the document number as New to auto-generate. Select Default Template for the type of asset. For now we will use FUR. Select Acquisition Code APIN and select the vendor number. Next select the AP invoice number to convert into asset. If this invoice has more than one line, you can select which line to convert to an asset by clicking the corresponding line with Yes. You can hit F9 to edit the details such as depreciation method. Once completed you may post the batch. Depending on this acquisition code setup, it may or may not create GL transactions. Let's look at the newly created asset in the register. Let's change the asset description to Director Table. Notice that this asset has default cost center, category and location. You may print the asset listing report from the pull-down File menu. Let's examine the output. Now let's look at how depreciation is processed. You would need to create a depreciation batch for all the assets on a monthly basis. Click New and insert a batch description. Now click Process. Once the batch is generated, you may open the batch and examine those entries. For now we proceed to post the batch. After posting, let's examine the asset register for this newly created asset. Notice that the accumulated depreciation amount is now updated. Let's examine the asset listing report for this new asset. Notice that the accumulated depreciation and net value are updated. You may also process various types of adjustment using the adjustment entry. You may also process disposed asset using disposal entry. It also comes with impairment entry and merge or split asset processing. Thank you for viewing this short demonstration. To know more about Norming Asset Accounting module, call Databit at 633-40388.